Namaskar. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, welcome to everybody. Yes, today that I would like to show this my greetings or salutations in this manner. Sir,
Good
you are
morning, sir.
using yes. Good morning. Good morning. Sir, you are using Telugu, English, and Hindi also. Yes, Hindi is our is it national language or state language?
National language. National language.
It is a national language. Suppose if you go to the Secunderabad station, what would be written first? Either the Telugu or Hindi or English.
Hindi, sir.
Hindi.
First written over there on the board.
English, Hindi, Telugu.
Please check this time when you go over there. Any place for the regional language would be written over there. Later on, preferably the Hindi, later on the English. Please check it whether I am right or not. Suppose if you go to the Khammam, what is written in the first language? Is it Telugu is written or it is Hindi will be written in the upper side, upper side? First, that's my point.
Telugu.
It will be in Telugu because the regional language comes first over there in the central government. Next, I think it is.
Next, English only, sir.
I think it is English. Then the last one is Hindi. It seems. Yeah. So that is the sequence. But anyway, that you will check it because whenever you go over there in the railway station, that you will find on the board one Hindi word would be there, and its English translation or Telugu translation would be there because they will promote the Hindi in the entire India. That is the scheme would be there. Yes, and coming to the point now, the students are joining one after another. Now the 10:02, I mean O2, and now I will start. Better I will start with the now because the same thing I would like to show, but I want to show it with the difference. Yes, this thing I have shown you there. It is a moot court proposition 3. It's well and good. The 3 should be written in Arabic numerals or in Roman numerals capital. Which one is the preferable? Yes, anyone? What would be the preferable one?
Roman number, sir.
Why Roman number is preferable? See, it is moot court proposition 3. It is written over there. Did you see it? It is Arabic numeral. Okay? And the same thing I will show you. Moot court proposition 3 is written here. That is a Roman number. Which will be more attractive?
This one, sir.
Because even myself also sometimes confusion. What should be the better way to write it? Anyway, it doesn't matter because it's not a controversy. But it preferably, Roman is appreciable because when you say the part one, part two, part three, we indicate with the Roman numbers, not with the Arabic numerals. If you say the Bear Act is concerned, if you say any Bear Act, let me check it because we have the HM Hindu Marriage Act is here, then we see that what way that he can make it out Hindu Marriage Act, whether he put it the Roman or he put it the Hindu Marriage Act. Yes, it is here. Yeah, let me see it. Why you want to keep it in a dilemma? See, I don't know whether the parts are given or not here because if the parts are given over there, then naturally, no parts are given over here. Yeah, no parts are given over here. But parts are given in the constitution. Please you check in the constitution so that you know it whether they are represented with the Roman or they're represented with the thing. Okay, now in this two, you tell me what is the distinction. Please observe closely. Moot court proposition 3, it is Arabic numeral. Then I highlighted here something in the middle that is a Roman number 1, and here I will show you the another one. See, here you did not see the Rome number 1 here in the cover page. Which is the best one? Anyone? whether the first page should cover, first page should have the page number or no page number.
No page
Page
number, sir.
number,
No
sir.
page number.
The best way is there is no page number in the first page. Please you check it.
Yes.
There is no page number in the first page, and that is a preferable one. Yeah, of course, in the High Court of the State of Telangana at Hyderabad, I already told you yesterday the CMA. Yes, anybody can repeat what is CMA?
Civil miscellaneous appeal, sir.
Who said?
Civil miscellaneous appeal.
Who said?
1114, sir.
See, I will show you who said here. See, I shared it. Did you see the screen now? Here it is written Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 3294. Did you see it? Yes? Oh, it is gone. Yes, did you see it now? Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 3299, 3294 of the 2011. It is given in the case law. Did you observe it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the reason we will say it, the civil miscellaneous appeal is concerned that we have to make it in that way. Okay, now I'll go. What is this MC? Anyone?
Sir?
What is this MC? MC?
Maintenance case, sir.
I thought that you will say the same thing, but it is not a maintenance case. Really, it is a CRPC 125 is in this case law.
Yes. Yes, CRPC is also there.
But is it based on 125.6 the whole case law?
Not entirely.
Sir.
Not entirely based on.
It is based on 13 subsection 1 and clause 1B. Then why do you say it is a maintenance case? See, it is not a maintenance case. It is anyone. It is
Miscellaneous.
anyone.
Matrimonial.
Matrimonial case. That is the answer. The answer is, see, even myself also committed a mistake, but after doing the research, I came to know it is a matrimonial case. It is not a miscellaneous case, it is a matrimonial case. Here I mentioned here because I made the correction here. So in the same manner, here also the made the correction here. It is a matrimonial case. See, it is a maintenance case. It is not a maintenance case because it's not a CRPC based one. It is a miscellaneous case. No, sorry, matrimonial case. M-A-T, matrimonial. Yes, this is the way that you have to write it. This is a matrimonial case. That is the proper order. Sorry, yesterday why you did not say sir like this? Yesterday I missed that actually. Actually, I would like to say I kept it in mind, but later on I missed it. But today I thought that okay, let me cover the gap of yesterday today. So that it, MC means here mat. Yes, please. Yes, any question? Yes, it is a matrimonial case. You have to say it. Suppose if I say CRC, what it means? CRC. Yes, here I made it.
Criminal case. Criminal case, sir.
Okay. RCR. CR, I shared it. I don't know whether you saw it or not. RCR. What is meant by RCR? Restriction of conjugal rights. So why I am giving this thing is, no, sometimes they will ask you what is RCR, what is so and so, what is so and so. At that instant, that you should not be confused over there. That is my point of asking you that the things are concerned. Yes. So that is the yes. So yes, mute.
Kisko.
Yes, I don't know who kept it open. Yes, now the figure is 35. Okay, well and good. Let me see the people whether they are followed. నేను చిలకకు చెప్పినట్టు చెప్పిన నేను ఏమని చెప్పినానండి హాల్ టికెట్ తో జాయిన్ కాయమని చెప్పిన అంజనీ ప్రసాద్ దయాల్ ఈ అశోక్ బాబు నందూరు చంద్రశేఖర్ కొల్లాటి గోరపాటి సురేష్ నిన్న కూడా చెప్పిన నేను చిలకకు చెప్పినట్టు చెప్పిన చిలకని ఏమంటారండి ఎనీవన్
Sir, I mentioned my hall ticket number, sir.
Correct.
గొర్రెపాటి 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 సురేష్ నిన్న ఏం చెప్పానండి
Sir,
మీకు? చంద్రశేఖర్ కొల్లాటి
Sir, this is Chandrasekhar.
కొల్లాటి స్కూల్ బడి
I mentioned my number, sir.
వై స్కూల్ బడి ఎందుకండి? సప్త ఏడు సముద్రాలు ఎందుకండి? ఒకటే రాయండి హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్. సప్త ఏడు సముద్రాలు వద్దు, ఒకటే హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ రాయాల. ఒకటే.
Sir, I mentioned my number.
Anyway, you ask the other people how to they make it out. Ask the other people how they make it out, please. Prasanna also did the same thing. VVR also did the same thing. Now I will come to the point. Yes, now I will come to. Now you mute it. Now you mute it. We'll discuss this later. So MC is a matrimonial case, and RCR is the restriction of conjugal rights, and MCD is, what is MCD? Mutual consent divorce case, MCD. Mutual consent divorce case is MCD. So these are the things which I want to share with you today, class. Then we'll go back to the old things. That is the first page is concerned. Yes, in first page almost all that we are already covered over there. Section 19(1), that is the ground for the Family Courts and Act. And in sometimes now you will find it in cases. Section 28 of the Hindu Marriage Act also comes into the picture, where the people go for the appeal. So that appeal, I believe that basis may be different, it seems. Okay, now the memorials, I already told you the council appearing from the table of contents, very much clear over there. Then I would like to come to the list of the abbreviations and acronyms, and everybody know that is the ampersand. That is a Latin terminology for the and. The equivalent is and. The symbol I already have shown over here on the screen, and which I shared it. Now I would like to ask, just for the test sake, the people, those who knows the answer, please don't give the promptness to the other people, because I want to test them, because those who are the not latecomers, those who are joined today only. That's my point. Yes, because yesterday I don't. VVR, now you can unmute your microphone, then you tell me. VVR. Say good morning. VVR. Yes. You speak. VVR, you can speak. You can unmute your microphone, then you can speak. Matadala. VVR, you can speak now. మీరు ఓపెన్ చేశారు కానీ మాట్లాడతలేరు మీరు. సార్ నేను లేను సార్, మా తమ్ముడు ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ. ఓకే, తమ్ముడు ఉన్నాడా? ఓకే, నో మ్యాటర్. వివిఆర్, that is called impersonification. That is called, because the examiner may ask you possibility, you want to just to identify that whether you are the same person or not, with the rule number, because rule number that hall ticket number that you, now you can speak VVR. దండాలని చెప్పండి, పెట్టేసేయండి. లేకుంటే శుభోదయం అని చెప్పండి, పెట్టేసేయండి. లేకుంటే చెప్పాలా? చెప్పండి. నమస్కారం అనండి, శుభోదయం అనండి, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అనండి, వణక్కం అనండి, సశ్రీకాల్ అనండి, ఏమని అనండి, కానీ అనండి. అనండి అంటే చెప్పండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. Yes, thank you very much. Now you mute it. Okay, no matter. So my point is, you have to speak it. That is the very point. Then VVS Shankar, you unmute it, then you can speak me. VVS Shankar. మాట్లాడాలా. VVS Shankar. వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ శంకర్ గారు. చెప్పండి, అనండి. ఏఐఆర్ అంటే ఏంటిదండి?
ఏంటి సార్?
ఏఐఆర్ అంటే ఏంటిది? యాక్రోనిమ్ ఏఐఆర్, అబ్రివేషన్ ఏఐఆర్ అంటే ఏంటిది? చెప్పాలా, లేకుంటే పాస్ అనండి తెలియకపోతే.
I'm not sure, sir. I will choose pass on.
Pass on. Very good. No matter, at least you spoke it. You are more better than the VVR. So VVR is promoted and you are passed. Prasanna, sir, నిన్ననే అడిగినారు కదా సార్, మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు అడుగుతారు సార్ నాకు? Yes, sir. Prasanna, you tell me what is only Prasanna. చెప్పాలా? Only other people please mute it. Other people mute. Only Prasanna should have to unmute and speak. Prasanna చెప్పండి.
వచ్చిన తర్వాత బాధపడటం కానీ పోకుండా ఉన్నాం బెటర్. నమ్మకపోతే పొమ్మను.
సార్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు మీరు. 1102 ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్. మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్రోఫోన్. 1102 1102 mute because I am getting your sound. Yes, everyone. Okay, you mute. Forget it. Just mute everybody. Everybody mute. I will come to the end. Everybody.
All India reporter.
నేను అడిగానా అండి? నేను అడిగిన వాళ్ళకే చెప్పాలన్నా నేను. If you want to chat, we can chat it. Okay, no matter. So the point is here, my point is, just I want to test the people whether they could know what is the AAR or not. And I came to know that they did not know what is the AAR. And it is clearly written here. All India report is written over here. So that would be the... that is only the answer for that one. AAR means All India Reporter. Then we will go to the other point to see that what they will give the answer for that question. So don't prompt any other people. Please, Gorapati Suresh, మీరు ఇంకేమైనా చెప్పగలుగుతారా లేకుంటే మ్యూట్ చేస్తారా? గోరపాటి సురేష్, యూ కెన్ మ్యూట్. ఆ మ్యూట్ అంటే బంద్ చేయమనండి, అంటే బంద్ ఆపేసేయాలా మైక్రోఫోన్. అన్మ్యూట్ అంటే తెరవాలా. అచ్చా, మీరు ఎట్లయినా అన్మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి చెప్పండి. SCC అంటే ఏంటిదండి? క్యాపిటల్ S, స్మాల్ క్యాపిటల్ C అండ్ క్యాపిటల్ C. SCC.
Supreme Court cases.
Very good. Now you are passed with the first class. Very good. Now you unmute it. Yes, unmute it. Sorry, unmute. No, mute it. That is the word. ఇప్పుడు క్లోజ్ చేసేసేయండి. ఓకే. Now the index of the authorities are there, statutes are there, and Hindu Marriage Act, and we already discussed over there. Then they will come in the picture. The MC already said what MC means, matrimonial cases, and each cases is there. Now we will ask the another person. Now I will check it out. Who to whom that should ask? Yes. I'm coming to the point. 1165. Yes, speak. 1165.
నాది ప్రసన్ననే వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ.
రిసౌండ్ నాకు కరెక్ట్ గా వినబడుతుంది. 1165, you can speak. Say good morning. చెప్పండి, ఏదన్నా ఒకటి మాట్లాడండి. 1165. 1165, you speak. అన్మ్యూట్ చేశాను, మైక్రోఫోన్ నేను తెరిచాను. మీరు కూడా మైక్రోఫోన్ ని ఆన్ చేయండి. స్పీకర్ ని ఆన్ చేయండి. Okay, it is not a problem. I am getting with the problem with the students because they I don't know whether they know it or they don't know it. How to mute it. 1074. 1074.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. 1074. Now you tell me what is. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
KLJ. What is meant by KLJ?
Karnataka Law Journal, sir.
అది కేరళ లా జర్నల్ ఎందుకు కావద్దు?
Sir?
కేరళ కూడా అవుతుంది కదా. చెప్పండి. చెప్పండి ఎందుకు కావద్దు కారద్దు అది కేరళ లా జర్నల్ ఎందుకు కావద్దు?
Maybe the rest,
Because
maybe
the
the
case,
parties are in Karnataka people.
that is the reason. That's very good. That is the reason. Now you can close it. You can mute it. 1074. You
Thank
did
you,
not
sir.
mute it.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
thank you. Very good. 1074. 1074 అనగానే మ్యూట్ చేసి పెట్టేసిండ్రు. అన్మ్యూట్ ఇట్ నో ఆల్రెడీ దట్ 10 రెండు సార్లు పెట్టారా ఏంటి? ఓకే, దెర్ ఆర్ 2 members are there. One is 17 series, another is 18 series. Yeah, 18 series, 1074, 18 series. Now you can speak.
Sir, 107.
18 series, I said,
Sir,
18
yes,
series.
sir. Yes, sir.
18 series, 104. You can speak now.
18 series.
Speak. అయ్యో మాట్లాడిన ఆయన.
Hello, sir.
గొర్రపాటి సురేష్, యూ మ్యూట్ ఇట్. గొర్రపాటి సురేష్, యూ మ్యూట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, చెప్పండి మీ లాస్ట్ కేసులా చెప్పండి. 1074, 18 సిరీస్ లాస్ట్ కేసులో ఏం రాశారు మీరు? మీ రికార్డ్ లో లాస్ట్ కేసులో ఏం రాశారు? 18 సిరీస్.
Last case, sir. Savitri Pandey versus Prem Chandra Pandey. 2002.
అది లాస్ట్ కేసులోనా? ఓకే, చెప్పండి దాంట్లో ఏం చెప్పిండ్రు ఆ కేసులా?
Yes, sir.
చెప్పండి ఏం చెప్పిండ్రు దాంట్లో ఆ కేసులాలా? ఏమైంది ఆ కేసులాలా? చెప్పాలా?
Sir, dismiss the appeal filed by the appellant and the interest of justice and award cost.
రిజల్ట్ చెప్పండి. రిజల్ట్
Sir, desertion in order to seek divorce under the act means the
డెజర్షన్ నో డెజర్షన్.
forsaking and
అయ్యా,
disappointment by one spouse of the
అన్ని
other without
చదవకండి. డెజర్షన్ నో డెజర్షన్. డెజర్షన్ నో డిజర్షన్. రెండు ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చినా కదండి నేను.
No desertion, sir.
మరి అది చెప్పాలి కదా అట్లా. సార్ దట్ ఈస్ నో డెజర్షన్ అనాలా,
Not being
డెజర్షన్
made
అనాలా?
one by a single.
మనం వాదించేది ఏంటిదండి ఇప్పుడు? ఎవరి గురించి
Not
వాదిస్తున్నాం మనం?
discussion, sir.
ఆ?
Sir,
మనం ఎవరి గురించి వాదిస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు?
respondent husband గురించి, sir.
మరి హస్బెండ్ లా మరి ప్రేయర్ ఏం రాసింది చదవండి ఒకసారి. మీరు ప్రేయర్ ఏం రాసిండ్రు చదవండి.
Respondent oblique petitioner be granted a decree of divorce under section 13 subsection 1 clause IB of Hindu Marriage Act 1955.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు డివర్షన్ ఇచ్చినట్ట డెసిషన్ కానట్ట?
Granted a decree of divorce and divorce
అంటే-
ఇచ్చినట్టుగా సార్
అది చెప్పాలా మీరు? ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అమౌంట్ టు ద డెసిషన్, హెన్స్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి గ్రాంటెడ్ ఓవర్ దేర్ అని చెప్పాలా. అది వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ యూ పాస్ టోటల్లీ విత్ 60 to 70% మార్క్స్. గుడ్. గుర్రపాటి సురేష్ గారు, ఇక మీకు మ్యూట్ చేయడం లేదు, అన్మ్యూట్ తెలియదు. మీరు స్పీకర్ బంద్ చేయండి సార్ అంటే కూడా మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసిండ్రు. ఇప్పుడు బంద్ చేసిండ్రు. Anyway, that is no matter. So my point of asking like this is that the purpose of my asking is I would like to ask you, because they may ask you anything just to test you whether you know it or you don't know it. That is their intention. So that's why they will ask you like that, what is KLG, what is Karnataka, what is Kerala, and how the cases should be there, and whether the High Court did it, whether the Madras Court did it, whether you used the website or Webiology or not. Jurisdiction that I already made it very much clear, because jurisdiction is the 19 subsection 1 also we can make it out. Again, in the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 we can make the jurisdiction on the section 28 also. It clearly shows the regarding the facts. You need not worry, because I already given the facts as it is, that you have to mention it. But sometimes they may ask you the fact also, and they will know they want to test you that in the facts what you learn it. Let me check it to one person regarding the facts are concerned, whether he knows or whether she doesn't know it. Okay, now be ready, one person that to whom I call you, that they have to give the answer for that one. Not everyone should have to give the answer. So now I will scroll it to see that how to whom that I have to make it out. 1029 18 series. You open your microphone, unmute your microphone, then you can speak. Yes. One 1029. Are you hearing me? 18 series 1029. 102 అమ్మా అమ్మా అన్మ్యూట్ చేయడానికి ఇంతసేపు అయింది. వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అయ్యా. వెరీ వెరీ మార్నింగ్. ఇద్దరు ఆడపిల్లలు పుట్టినరు వీళ్ళ ఇక్కడ హస్బెండ్ వైఫ్ కి. వాడు ఆ ఇద్దరు ఆడపిల్లల పేర్లు చెప్పండి. ఆ ఆడపిల్లల పేర్లు చెప్పండి. ఫ్రాక్చర్ కేసులలో ఇద్దరు ఆడపిల్లల పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో వైఫ్. ఆ ఆడపిల్లల పేర్లు చెప్పండి.
సుప్రీత సార్. హలో.
ఆ ఆడపిల్లల
సార్
ఎవరెవరు?
సవిత అండ్ సుప్రీత సార్.
Yes, passed. Very good. At least you have given the answer. I already put it on the screen also. At least by looking the screen also, that you can say that what is the actually the answer for the question. Anyway, it doesn't matter it because you said that is very appreciable things. And here what I want to say is one word that I used is coitus. And I don't know in which case law that it will come coitus. But anyway, it doesn't matter. At least you made it. Now I will ask one question to the another person just to see whether he knows the, because ఎందుకంటే మీరు డిపిసి కూడా రాసిండ్రు కాబట్టి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడగచ్చు నేను. చాట్ లో చాలా మంది వచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఐ సే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి. ఆల్ ఇండియా రిపోర్టర్. అయ్యా రిపోర్ట్ కాదు, ఆల్ ఇండియా రిపోర్టర్. ఆల్ ఇండియా రిపోర్ట్ కాదు, ఆల్ ఇండియా రిపోర్టర్. అది దట్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్. Then participants are concerned. Now I will ask at least one person. Let me check it. To whom I should have ask? Because the yes. 1002. Okay, let me take the opportunity because 1102. Now you can because I could not see your icon at all. Whether you mute it or unmute it or you did what? Let me check it. 1102 15 series. Yes, he is a very old student, and I want to see that he should be passed because how long that he will be with you, because now the 18 series are going on. Yes, 15 series. I saw you there on the 15 series 1102. You can speak with me. First, you tell me your name. Of course, if it is a confidential, you need not to tell your name, but you can say good morning. 1102 15 series. You can speak. Are you hearing me? Na hear ledu na man ledu. Okay, come on, go to the point. Next, let me say that I'm sorry because you are supposed to speak because you are too very 15 batch is there and the special permission with you, and if you could not at least utter your word, then I don't know what will be your fate. Okay, 1118 1118. You can unmute your speaker, then you can speak me. Now the time is 10:29. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yes. Now you can speak me, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very morning. So it seems Dr. Saab is. Dr. Saab, now you tell me what is the difference between a decree and order?
Decree has given the order which denotes is the cancellation. I mean, the dissolution decree. And in order, generally it may be pronounced a different way also.
Very good.
Order it gives itself right.
Okay.
Decree is the final. Right.
Oh, okay, right. Then you tell me the same whether decree come first or judgment come first.
Decree come first, sir.
No, Daksa, because I will show you the thing which I want to
Sir.
share with you.
In the judgment, it follows decree, sir. Judgment follows decree. Okay.
Yes, that's what I
Judgment
wanted.
follows decree.
Yes, that's I want to net. See, I shared the thing on the screen. Judgment comes first and contain all the details of the case and the issues that arise in the case.
Yeah.
The decree sheet is, please mute. The decree sheet is drawn on the basis of the judgment. It contains the concluding paragraph of the judgment and the cost, etc., incurred by the parties. The decree is executed and enforced. So judgment comes first, decree follows later. And section 2, subsection 2. Section 2, subsection 2 is a decree on the CPC. Section 2, can we say subsection here? Because section 2 deals here about the definitions. So we should not say subsection. Section 2 and class 2 is a decree of the CPC. Section 2, class 14 is the order of the CPC. Section 2, class 9 of the judgment of the CPC. Yesterday I told you, why do you say section and subsection? Why do you say subsection into the class? Anyone can, yes, not anyone. Anyone means everybody opens it. Everybody opens it and they will give the answer to me. So it will give me chaos to me. 1039. Open. I mean, unmute your microphone, then you can speak. 1039, 18 series. సార్ ఇప్పుడే అడిగినారు కాదు సార్, మళ్ళీ అడుగుతాను రేంటి సార్. డబుల్ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ యూ. 1039. Are you hearing me? Okay. Okay. At least one can open it, then you can give the distinction between the two. Why don't you say the class in the section 2? Why don't you say subsection? Anyone? 111114. You opened it. I don't know whether you want to speak. You can speak it
Good
also.
morning, sir.
Yes, speak.
Good morning.
Speak.
Sir, here Roman Arabic number is there, sir. That's why we are telling not telling the subsection, sir.
Okay, you are near to the point. But next. Okay, now you mute it. Now another person.
Whenever it is, sir.
No, your turn is over. Now you can mute. Yes, any other person. Yes, any other person would like to give the answer. Any other person would like to give the answer, you can unmute it, then you can give the answer. No other person, okay, no matter, I will give the answer for that one, don't worry. See, especially section 2 deals with the different terminology definitions, and each will not be connected with each one. Every one is a separate one. Moreover, either it is given in the form of either Arabic numerals or in the form of a small, small alphabets, or in the form of a small Roman, but it is not connected with each other. And at that instance, we don't say subsection because there is no opening line. There is a opening line for that one. Hence, we can say it is a clause, but not a subsection. But in subsection, that I made very much clear, there is no open line, and directly it starts with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. But when it comes to the clause is concerned, it will goes with the small ABCD or capital Arabic numerals. It starts with the small letter and ends with the semicolon. See, generally this is the difference that you will find it between these two. Okay, let me go further there to see if any other thing that I would like to share with you, because already I shared everything in the yesterday class, and in this class only that day. And let me ask one, of course, though it is silly to those who are regular to the class, and for informative to those who are not regular to the class. Yes, I asked VV Shankar, but VVR did not give the reply, but I will give the chance to VVR once again. VVR, I am giving the another chance for you. This is a supplementary chance. You can open. Yes, now you can say, VVR, are you there? VVR, you can speak now. VVR, you can speak now. You can open your microphone, then you can speak. See, I have given the another chance to you, so that you will be survived. Yes, VVR, you can speak. See, I'm unmuting that you are muting. I'm unmuting that you are muting. Sorry, I'm not doing anything. I'm keeping very silent. Okay. VVR, you can speak now. కనీసం మాట్లాడకుంటే కనీసం చాట్ అన్న చేయండి, లేకుంటే అందులో రాయండి. సార్ మాట్లాడమే ఈ సార్, చాటే కష్టం సార్. ఓకే. Savita Suprita, are you here? Because I saw the Savita Suprita here name in the chat. Yes. Savita Suprita, you can unmute your microphone, then you can speak. Say good morning. Yes.
The names from the case are not their own name.
Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now you can speak. So who is speaking now? Tell me your name. Yes, who is speaking? Tell me your name. 1091. Because I saw the 1091 is speaking over there. Yes.
Sir, actually, those are not the names of that person. Actually, he wrote the case name. Before you asked, sir, what are the names in that case? Daughter's name. It's not me. You are clarifying.
కనీసం వాళ్ళకి తెలియదా అండి దేంతో జాయిన్ అయినరు అనేది? అందుకోసం నేను అడుగుతానా. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ దట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ దెమ్ దట్ యు జాయిన్ ద వెబినార్ బై deleting your name, deleting your nickname, deleting the Ethiopian name, and you can keep your hall ticket number starting from the series. Instead of keeping H full stop, T full stop, NO, you can start with the series directly without keeping any space and without keeping any hyphen. That I told very much clearly. And if you did not know that how to enter in, then I would say because even the children also know how to enter it, but you can learn from the children also. Suppose if you are married, if you are unmarried, you can learn from your brothers and sisters, or including your father and mother also. There is no, don't feel shy that if regarding the learning process is concerned, because learning till the end of the person's life, it is a process of learning is. So now it doesn't matter. My point is now when you are joining it, please join with your hall ticket number. Directly you can write the series first. And don't write again the name and hall ticket number. If you write the name and hall ticket number, it leads to school బడి చదివినట్టు అయిపోతుంది, లేకుంటే సప్త 7 సముద్రాలు దాటినట్టు అయిపోతుంది. రెండు అవసరం లేదు, ఏదో ఒకటి సరిపోతుంది. So that is the point which I want to ask you. And the prayers are generally, I told you, only one prayer is there because one issue is there. And this prayer is the respondent, that is the petitioner here, the husband, be granted a degree of the divorce under section, because here under section is put it in the abbreviation form, or you can say the short form or contraction form, the U obliques S, both are the small letters under section 13 subsection 1 and clause 1B of the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. That is actually the thing. Now I would like to share it here. Date come first or place come first? Anyone? Any can you open it, give me the answer.
Sir, date comes first, sir.
Date and then place.
Date. Section date is the format, na sir?
Date, sir.
Which come first? Date come first or?
Date only, sir.
Date, sir. Date only first.
నేను మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ప్రూఫ్ తోని మాట్లాడతాను చూడండి. ఇది ఫార్మాట్ చూసారా మీరు? ఇది ఫార్మాట్ చూసారా అండి? అప్లికేషన్ సీకింగ్ ద ఎగ్జామ్షన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పర్సనల్ అపియరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది క్లైమెంట్ అండ్ అక్యూజ్డ్. ఇది ఫార్మాట్. ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో చూడండి ఏది ముందుగా వచ్చింది.
Place comes first and date comes first.
Station date is the format. Letter writing format also station and date. Station follows date.
మనం రాసేది డాక్యుమెంట్, లీగల్ డాక్యుమెంట్.
Sir.
మనం లెటర్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం జనరల్లీ?
Even now in formal letters also, sir, place comes first and date comes next. Formal letters also now it has become a tradition.
See, generally, even myself also writing, I use the style first date, next place. But later I came to know, better you write the place. Better you write the place date below, because when you are writing a letter, official letter, we will definitely show letter number dated. Is it not? So anyway, that is a dispute again. But we want to know that which come first and which is later. But when I saw all the formats of different,
Even sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Even now, punctuation marks are also omitted in letters.
Of course, after writing the place, we will make the punctuation mark. Then we write it down, and the ending is full stop. That we will follow it. But sometimes the people say punctuation
Now they
mark
are
is
omitted,
outdated.
sir.
Punctuation
In,
marks are
in type, yes, punctuation marks nowadays they are omitted, sir.
we
The,
will
the,
say
trade- the, the style has changed.
దాన్ని ఒక వార్డులో చెప్పాలంటే ఎట్లా చెప్పాలండి? మంచి వార్డులో చెప్పండి.
Conventions are omitted.
Obsolete. OBSLETE. Obsolete.
OBS EL.
Yeah, yeah.
ELT.
Yeah, yeah.
ELET.
LET, yes. Not absolute, obsolete. Okay, that becomes obsolete over there. Anyway, that is, yes, that I want to share it in today class because other things are not over there because this is the format which I made it to show you the proof. When I want to show anything, I should have to share with the proof. That's I maintained that thing. And now you will tell me that what will be the fate of the people, those who are absentees, which are more than 50. More than 50% absentees because today the highest strength is only 36. Even the first day is 51, and today the highest strength is because I took the screenshot which I want to show you also. The screenshot which I put it there on the screen now. Now you can see this is the. Did you see 36 today? Are you following me? So today is only the 36. Today is only the 36. That is the highest today. And I don't know what will happen to the other people. What is your suggestion? సార్ సచ్చినోళ్లకు సావనియండి సార్ అంటారా?
Sir, you have already told them in umpteen times.
So what is your answer? Yes, anyone?
Many of them are having no knowledge about this WebEx. Okay, that's we know. That is up to there. It is not in our hands. But who are attending, they are not able to answer because of technical problem. It may be their network problem or it may be their device problem. We don't know. We are speaking, but you are not able to hear. Sometimes you are speaking, but we are not able to hear. So this is the miscommunication happening. Because of that, the strength is lowering, I think.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు మాట్లాడింది మంచి క్లియర్ గా వినబడ్డది. నేను మాట్లాడింది మీకు క్లియర్ గా వినబడుతుందా లేదా?
ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుంది సార్. కాకపోతే ఒక్కొక్కసారి మొత్తం క్లమ్జీ అయిపోయింది. అసలు ఎంత చిరాకు పడుతుందంటే చెవుల్లో ఇట్లా రీసౌండ్ వస్తూ ఉంటది.
అటువంటిప్పుడు మీరు చాట్ చేయండి సార్. ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ద రీసౌండ్ సార్. కెన్ ఐ సెండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ చాట్? మీరు చాట్ చేయరాదండి సార్?
That's why many times I chatted. Whenever you ask the answer, I'll many times give my answer by chatting. I don't know whether you are able to hear me or not.
అందుకోసమే ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా సార్ చాట్ లో చూడండి సార్ అని చెప్పేసేయాల. లేకుంటే చాట్ లో చూసుకుంటారు జనరల్లీ. బికాస్ వెన్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ మై సెల్ఫ్ I will check the chart, I will check the participants, I will check in all the means to see if any other person is standing in the lobby or not, then I will admit them. So that is my habit, and I am sure that all the examiners do the same thing because when they could not hear the properly, at the time they will see the chart for the answer because I am supposed to say that only 1 or 2 questions will be asked over there. Later on, sir, you can unmute it. You can mute your things. That is only the thing. If everything goes in a prompt way. If the court decide it, and 31st the Supreme Court is going to decide it, whether yes, now only the 5 minutes are left over there. Now we will discuss the other things. Suppose if the Supreme Court no examinations at the time, whether the online exam would be there or not. Anyone?
When there is exam is no for everything.
No exam means no exam. Even online examination, no exam.
Suppose if they give the permission, no written examination for the people, those who did not I mean, those whose exams are not conducted over there in all the universities in the India. But if you feel like you can conduct the online examination to them.
Then online examination will be there.
Sad.
సార్ తప్పిపోయింది సార్, మార్కులు అయితే పడతాయి కాదు సార్ మాకు రికార్డ్ రాసినందుకు. ఎస్ పడతాయి డెఫినెట్ గా, కానీ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ద స్ట్రిక్చర్స్ విల్ బి అండ్ వాట్ ద కండిషన్స్ విల్ బి పుట్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ బై ద Supreme Court is concerned, because always when you want to test a person, they would like to test both in a written as well as oral examination. But as you said, our friend said, some people were not very much familiar with the articulation. They are not very familiar with the mute and unmute is concerned. At that instance, yes, problem would comes over there. But another question will come to the point: how these people attended the online classes when they did not know the operation of the small phone, and how did they have the 70% attendance? Of course, 10% condolence would be there for the medical, but the 60%, how you could make it out? Yes, any answer?
We have to give a strict instruction to them that so from step 1 to step 10, everything we have to clearly mention how you have to enter the WebEx, how you have to put it, everything we have to tell them. One have to take the initiation and take a demo class.
See, yes, definitely. Suppose if this now I will speak. Now you mute it. I will speak now. Yeah, you mute. Now everybody can mute it. I said everybody could mute it. 1086, you can mute it. అయ్యా, నా మాట వింటారో లేదో లేకపోతే ఆయన ఇంటికాడ మాట్లాడుతాను మరి ఎవరితో. 1086, you can mute it. 1086, you can mute it. Anyway, come to the point is concerned. Yeah, the point is now, if muting, unmuting, one should have to know it. So each one should teach one. Each one should teach one. That principle is applied over there. Now you are the 50 or 50%. The first day they have came. The first day is, I think, 51 or 52 is the highest. So if 52 is the highest, at that instance, each one teach one means 52 into 52, it becomes 104. So still there are 20 people are left over there. For them, we cannot say anything. And if online exam, if they want to see it conducted, at least they will see the hall ticket number, and those who are present over there, they will count it, they will take the screenshot, and for them they will give the award, the marks, depending upon the answer that you are given. Because the way when they ask the question, naturally the list is with them, because I already sent the list with the name and hall ticket number, and keeping the problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. That is the moot 1, moot 2, moot 3, and they will ask the question in moot 1 by your performance, and they will immediately mark it out of 5, because 5 for the record and 5 for the viva. So that is out of 5 that will get it. How you speak, at least you mute it or unmuted it, you spoke it or not, and that will be counted over there. Suppose if the exam is online. So if any other thing that you want to make it out, you can say, because still only 2 or 3 minutes are left. At least one can unmute then speak.
Will they
Sir,
ask from
something.
they will take as it?
I tell you, sir, regarding already our friends told that the phone is giving distraction, maybe net problem or device. In my case also, sometimes disturbance is there. Suppose during Viva, practically from university.
You put it in chat. You put it in chat. Yeah, you put it in chat stating that, sir, there is a disturbance of your hearing, and hence you can chat it, and then I can give the reply in the chat.
Okay, right.
Yes, any other question? Yes, any other can unmute it and get the